controller can be configured with multiple button maps, including a map that places the fire command on R1. To change to a different button map, press Start, then enter the Options menu and select Controls. The jackpot crate multiplies all bolts and experience gained for a limited time. Your weapon has upgraded. Weapons upgrade automatically when they're used frequently. To perform a high jump, hold R1 and press X. You can climb a ladder by jumping onto it and pressing X until you reach the top. Inferno mode. Your armor and wrench attack have been greatly increased for a limited time. To jump between walls, jump, then press X in midair while next to a wall.
Ratchet, we have company.
Where?
Behind you.
Where?
Behind you.
Very funny. You having a good time?
You trespass on sacred ground. Now you walk path of death.
But, sir,
Path of death.
Oh, Quark has completely lost his mind. Now what? Just keep the mask on. He thinks you are his new leader.
Great.
Incoming call.
This is Captain Sasha of the Starship Phoenix. The President has asked me to assist you.
Hi.
I see you have located Captain Quark.